beautiful view. Amazing. Hey everyone, today I'm at Delta Works and you can see that side, that building. That is actually an exhibition of a Delta work, and this you can see it's completely sea here. And it's also say they also say that Delta work has been declared one of the 7 wonders of the modern world by American Society of Civil Engineers. So this is really amazing work. Netherlands is created by humans, and it's very true because they literally dig out water from everywhere, and they constructed so many states. You can say it's like province, but you can literally see like how they manage the thing. And in Netherlands it's one of the best water management system, because how they control the flow and how they control the level of the sea, that is tremendously amazing. And if you want to know more about this, let me know in the comment section. I will make another video for that, because वो बहुत ही मतलब is a vast topic and is also a very nice techniques, and so many countries adopt that. Of the Delta project. This is the actual project where they are managing all the water and all those things. Every technique is followed by this thing. These are the stairs, like जो वो वैष्णो देवी वाली stairs होती है ना, वैसी stairs लग रही हैं. It's not that much. Last few steps and see. Ta-da! See what we found here. It's like, seems like jellyfish, but we are not sure. Let's go back to our home. This is 1 cup of split chickpeas, which we called chana dal. I'm going to add little bit of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I will give this a good boil. Only just a boil. I don't have to make a soup. I will let you know how much you have to give it a boil. If you soak this around for 2 hours, that will be good. If you can't, then also it works. It will take around 10 minutes. See, our lentils are done. See, you have to boil. It's not that soft and it's not that hard. This much only we need. And I'm going to steep this water. And don't throw this water. Just use in making dough or something like that, because it contains lots of protein. So we need not to throw this. I'm going to use this in kneading my dough. I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use regular oil, whichever you use in your kitchen. Adding 1 cup of onion. Adding little bit of salt, adding 1/2 cup of capsicum, adding 2 green chilies. This is completely optional, and I will allow this to cook around 5 minutes. After that we will add other ingredients. See, our capsicum and onion are done. We don't have to cook a lot, but still little bit. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of tomatoes. With this, I'm going to add the lentils which we boiled. Toss it well. Check the salt, of course. Little bit more salt can go. Going to add half teaspoon of garam masala. Little bit of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. It's always give a nice tangy flavor. This always adds a great flavor. Here I'm going to add green and black grapes, bananas, pomegranates, few cashews. Again, this is optional. If you don't like, don't add it. Few almonds, few walnuts. Here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. These are rich in omega, and I have like other seeds, melon seeds and little bit of pumpkin seeds or add all. Here I am going to add dried apricots. If you don't have apricots, just add a raisin because it will give nice sweet flavor to the chaat. And you can see this is completely healthy version of chaat. It contains proteins, minerals. It has dry fruit, so I'll also give you good fat. It's ready to eat. Enjoy with your friends and family. I'm going to serve in a plate like this. Garnish it with mint leaves or basil leaves. I do have here basil leaves. So it's ready.